In the hush of slow motion skies, a wing cuts clean through northern light. Arctic Terns, gliding grace, ghosts of silence, fierce in flight. They dance above the frozen sea, where Svalbard winds are sharp and free. Though the world may stand in awe, they guard their young with silent law. From pole to pole, they draw a line, Antarctica to Arctic shine. No song can hold their journey's tune. 3 times the path unto the moon. Handheld dreams through 500 gates, captured in a drifting haze. A moment still where time lets go. Wings write verses in the snow. So if you hear no melody, let feathers sing what eyes can't see. The deep sea bird, the skyward flame, a whispered flight beyond all name. To pole, they draw a line, Antarctica to Arctic shine. No song can hold their journey's tune. 3 times the path unto the moon. From pole to pole, they draw a line, Antarctica to Arctic shine.